In this video series, I show you how to make an awesome jumping ball game in Scratch. Let's dive in and have some fun. Okay, let's get started. Delete Scratchy, create a new ball, red color, and put it in center, a little bit smaller. Okay, go in code, change the name to ball. When green flag clicked, set position to -50 to 0. We're gonna go for forever, create a new block called check jump. Run without a screen refresh, put it in here, call it in here, and then we're gonna create a new variable. Let's delete this one, create a new variable called jump trigger for the sprite only. Set jump trigger to 0, and then we're gonna go in control if and else and is equal to, and then in sensing we're gonna say if mouse is down and jump trigger is 0, then we're gonna set jump trigger to 1, and if duplicate that, let's change it to not. If jump trigger is 1, then set to 0. Okay, when we run it and when we click it goes to 1, when we release it goes to 0. Okay, let's create a new block called jump. Run without a screen refresh, a new input called power, and then put it in here, and let's call it in here 10 power. We're gonna need some variables in here called jumping for this sprite only, and velocity y for this sprite only, and gravity. Okay, let's set these variables in here, gravity to 1, velocity y to 0, and jumping to 0. Okay, we're gonna set jumping to 1, set velocity y to power, and in here let's say if jumping is equal to 1, then change y by velocity y, and then set velocity y to velocity y minus gravity. Okay, let's run. Okay, as you can see, it jumps very well. Now let's add another thing for jumping to the right, jumping to the left, and for that we need to have another variable called direction or dir and velocity x. Okay, let's set direction to 1 and set velocity x to 0, and in here x by velocity x, and in here set velocity x to multiply direction multiplied by 5, and let's jump. It goes to the right, and when we change this to -1, it goes to the left.